Good morning. I didn't get to finish off my video yesterday, I realised. So this is part 2. I was exhausted yesterday. I was riding with a hangover, not gonna lie. Not the best conditions to ride in, so I was absolutely exhausted by the time I got here. I was going to ride Mount Panorama twice. I was going to do it yesterday, but I was so tired, so I was just like, no, I just gotta get here. I just gotta relax, have a nap. But yesterday was tough, and it was literally all for just mental reasons. It was a tough day, but it was a still great morning. Got to catch up with everyone again for one last time, until next time anyway. And it was great riding back with the boys. They were, as I said yesterday, they were super supportive, and yeah, they were nice enough to wait for me to catch up a few times. But no, it was great. It was still great fun, minus a few challenges, but I overcame them. I think that's like the whole point about this trip for me really is to just really push myself, put myself into all these challenging situations, especially when I'm on my own, there's no one else around, and you know, I've got these like today, I'll show you the weather I'm riding into today. So today's plan is obviously Mount Panorama, but then I am doing the very long stretch to Cobar, which is like 5.5 hours, and I'll show you, this is the weather I'm expecting to ride straight into. So we have, you know, up to 20 mils of rain, possible storms. There's a chance of a thunderstorm, possibly severe, so some pretty strong winds and stuff in there as well. So that's what I'm heading straight towards today, which is why I had to cancel my campsite. Cobar had some beautiful weather all week, and now the day, of course, that I'm there, it is thunderstorms. So I've got accommodation. I'll be in accommodation pretty much for the rest of the trip, except for that one night where I'll be glamping. But I'm going to have a very long, challenging ride, and as I said, when I'm on my own, if anything happens, I have to just deal with it. Like, I just got to think on the spot and just deal and just move on. Like, there's no other choice. But I like that kind of challenge. I like pushing myself. As I said yesterday, again, I'm the type of person that I hate to admit when I need some help. I refuse to admit defeat. I'm extremely stubborn, and I will put myself into all sorts of situations to try and just push through it and just, you know, improve my skills as a rider. So that's what you gotta do. So yeah, yesterday, while challenging, was still a great day. I still had a pretty good ride, minus all the potholes. I'm going to finish packing up, get everything loaded on the bike and get going, because I've got a very long day today. I won't expect to arrive until probably, again, like between 4 and 5 o'clock this afternoon. Even though it's awful weather, I am still thinking of going via Dubbo, because I love Dubbo. And maybe if Dubbo jail's open, I might be able to go for a wander, but we'll see how we're doing for time, weather-wise, all of that. So whether or not I just have to push on, or make a few stops on the way. I'd like to make some stops on the way. I don't want to just literally just ride from destination to destination, like without doing anything in between. It's, you know, I've got this awesome 2-week adventure. I'm in my final week, and I want to enjoy that. You know, I want to do things, see things. So anyway, I shall see you guys on the road. Bye. Oh, this is crazy. I am nervous, I'm scared of boats too. Oh my god, welcome to Melbourne. Oh wow, this is stunning. Time to see how waterproof and windproof my tent is. I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna sleep, Larry. My foot's not far enough. I just made fire. Look. There's actual flames. Oh my god, it's like a roller coaster. I kind of want to put my hands up, go all the way down the hill, but that would not be a good idea. Good morning again. Look where we're headed, guys. We are going to go. Let's just get around this corner. Ay ay ay! I will ace that one day. But we are headed to Mount Panorama! Woo. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. So far the rain's holding out, but it is quite foggy this morning. Oh my god, look at that! Oh, this is so exciting. This is probably one of my favorite parts of the trip. Oh my god, how cool is this gonna be? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look! Mount Panorama! Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Go! Oh, so cool. Oh, so much fun! All these signs and the markings just makes me want to go really, really fast. If I'm going to learn to knee down, this is where I want to do it. Oh my god. Check out the views. This is so cool. Oh my god, it's like a roller coaster. I just kind of want to put my hands up, go whee all the way down the hill, but that would not be a good idea. Ah! Best day ever! Oh my god. Oh, this would be so mad. Puppies! Ah, puppies! Hi! Hey, good doggies! Oh, he's a good boy. Ah, so cute. Oh, imagine being a flaggy for one of these events. That'd be cool. Look at all that sand to run into. I'm at Mount Panorama. This is the best day ever. Oh my god, this is so much fun. I really want to race this. Like, for real. I'll pull out all my gear and just gun it. Oh, I'm so happy that I stopped here. I decided to come to Bathurst just to do this. Like, if I come up to mainland, I have to. Ah! Best fun ever. It's such like beautiful views too. I mean, where I stopped there's not so much, but maybe if I walk down into the picnic area there. But I'm at a racetrack. This is so much fun. And you know what? I'm doing pretty good around these corners. I'm pretty happy. I think this is good practice, to be honest. Some of these corners, so yay. I'll do a few more laps. I've already done 2. I'll do a few more laps and then I'm gonna have to hightail it out of here and get to my next destination. But best day ever. Oh, this is so much fun. I'd love to keep going around, but unfortunately I do have to get cracking. It's 9 o'clock now and I've got a 5.5 hour ride ahead of me. But first up, petrol! Accommodation in Cobar. Finally. Wow, that was some crazy weather. Oh my gosh, that's so windy, but I had the best time. It was so funny, like watching all these cars and all the trucks struggling on the road. You're seeing the trees like going absolutely crazy. I saw some guy's shed on the side of the road start to like blow away. Basically it was like collapsing. But there you have me, just laughing my head off, going wee, and just having the best time. Oh, I am mad. But no, it was a great ride. I had a lot of fun, and yeah, it was all around great day. Woke up, beautiful foggy morning, best ride, best time at Mount Panorama. I can't believe I did that. That was so exciting. It was the best thing ever. And then just one hell of a ride straight down the highway to Cobar. So anyway, that's pretty much it today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.